Hey guys, yesterday Treyarch had made a tweet saying that they were going to start a community event today for Black Ops 3 and Zombies and some kind of GobbleGum challenge. Well, the event is officially live and it's live on all platforms, so PS4, Xbox, and also PC. Some people may have a difficult time finding it because you would think that you would go into the Zombies portion of Black Ops 3 to access, this community challenge board, but it's actually in the multiplayer area. You have to go to public match and then black market, and then it's going to be under contracts. There you're going to see the GobbleGum challenge board with the thermometer and the 4 tiers, and as expected, we have to consume GobbleGums to unlock these tiers, and they want us to eat 10 million of them. They're making it sound like Dr. Monty is the one hosting this challenge, and they're saying he's challenging the community to eat 10 million GobbleGums for 4 tiers of rewards. He's keeping the details pretty close to his chest, but he has revealed the final reward to be a full set of ultra rare GobbleGums, and they're not specifying which GobbleGums you have to use, so I'm assuming that you can use the classic, which are free in addition to the mega. People have been asking if you can dashboard and keep your gums and still help to contribute to the community event, and that's just not something anybody's gonna really know. People had been wondering what the rewards were gonna be, and there's been a lot of speculations about like weapons or camos, and they've kept the rewards locked until we actually get to the tier to unlock it. But people have already been able to access the information and see what the rewards are going to be. On the community challenge board, they already revealed that the last tier was going to be some ultra rare gums, and it looks like the first tier is going to be double liquid divinium unlock. This has been posted by Quantum Z on his Twitter and also Reddit, and it looks like he's got the actual images of what the unlocks are going to be. The second tier looks to be a set of mega gums. Now there's quite a few of those, and how many we're actually going to get, not sure yet. The mega classifications are the ones that are not free, and it's the ones that are like pop shocks, double points, like those kinds of gums. The third tier appears to be a set of rare megas, so you're going to be getting like max ammos and extra credit gums. The fourth tier, and what has already been revealed by Dr. Monty, is that we're going to be getting a set of ultra rare megas, so like the perkaholics and the shopping freeze. So this event is going to be really good for people that don't really play a lot and don't have a lot of gums. They're going to sign in one day and see a nice little boost to their account. For those of us that play a lot and have a lot of gums, yeah, we're really going to be helping them out. And for people like myself that don't really need GobbleGums and don't really need these rewards, it's going to be more of a charity event where we're like helping the people that are GobbleGum poor. So this event will definitely help and benefit the community. There's nothing special going on in the Newton's cookbook today. The recipes are near-death experience, power vacuum, and insta-kills. The event started about an hour ago, and right now the thermometer is at 0.54%. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.